It's the look, it's the feel. We love the Series 1 E-Type. Any modifications we've done are in keeping with the original designs. You can see the quality, you can see the work that's gone into this. This really is a car forever for the future. Elegant, iconic and classic.
A sleek British classic, described by Enzo Ferrari as the most beautiful car ever made.
It's the look, it's the feel. We love the Series 1 E-Type.
But what happens when you approach 60s beauty with modern tech?
If they'd have had the technology available to them at the time when they first created the E-Type, they would have tried to create something like this. I don't think they could have done it as well, but that's just our personal opinion on that.
This is the Evolution E-Type, an updated take on a Jaguar masterpiece.
Elegant, iconic and classic. This is our Jaguar E-Type Series 1 fixed head coupe. This is the first of its kind from us. You can see the immaculate paintwork, you can see the lines on the body look just fabulous. There's something different here. Right now we're looking at the heart of the vehicle, and it's the original 3.8 XK engine. This is a 1964 restoration vehicle. You can see the quality, you can see the work that's gone into this. You can see all the different things, different bits that we've manufactured ourselves. You can see all the stainless steel we've used inside. What you can't see on this side is stainless steel exhaust manifolds which prevent the rusting. This really is a car forever for the future because it's made out of materials that won't let you down in 5, 6, 7 years' time. This particular engine puts out around 300 brake horsepower. It's a 3.8 engine, but it is high torque. It's been stroked and bored out, so it really behaves more like a 4.2. But any modifications we've done are in keeping with the original designs.
And it's on the road that you'll most appreciate those modifications.
This model does have electric power steering, it's got air conditioning, and it drives well, it handles well, it brakes well. Most people who've driven a Series 1 E-Type have a few complaints over the handling or the braking. Anything you can think of, we've engineered, redesigned and fixed their problems.
And the guys at Evolution are ready to build your very own version of the E-Type, providing you're prepared to part with the best part of $500,000.
The hardest bit is getting the immediate bodywork right. All these sheets are laser cut. This has to be done precisely because obviously this is the foundation of the car. If you get it wrong at this stage, you've got untold problems later on.
And creating such a beauty is no easy task.
With the outer shell, this is all hand-wheeled, hand-beaten panels. Probably the most important bit, getting that iconic look.
And once these vehicles are ready to hit the road, there's one job that everybody loves: the test drive.
It's like a dream job really, getting to drive one of these cars. People just stop and stare, it's definitely a head turner. I've had to go on an original E-Type before, and there is a massive comparison. Driving an original one, it's like an antique really. My favourite part of the car is the engine sound.
And it's not just the changes under the hood that make a big difference.
It's a full leather interior, where the original ones tend to be vinyl. When you get in one of these, you can just smell petrol and leather how it's supposed to be really.
And you can expect to see more of these cars out on the road soon. Because for a company that dared to improve on perfection, business is booming.